Have you ever wondered how online legal services manage to offer such comprehensive legal help at a fraction of the cost of traditional law firms? Seems almost too good to be true, doesn't it? In a world where legal fees can quickly skyrocket, companies like Rocket Lawyer have emerged as a beacon of accessibility, promising to simplify complex legal processes for individuals and small businesses. But how exactly do they pull this off? What's the secret behind their ability to provide everything from creating legal documents to connecting you with experienced attorneys, all while maintaining an affordable price point? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on Rocket Lawyer's business model to reveal how this legal tech giant generates revenue and sustains its operations. We'll explore the different avenues through which they make money, dissect their pricing strategies, and understand the value proposition that keeps millions of users coming back. So, if you've ever found yourself needing legal assistance but feeling intimidated by the potential costs, stick around. You might just discover how Rocket Lawyer makes legal help attainable for the everyday person and entrepreneur. At its core, Rocket Lawyer operates on a multifaceted revenue model, primarily driven by subscriptions, but also supplemented by individual service fees and strategic partnerships. Think of it like a hybrid approach designed to cater to both consistent users and those with one-off needs. The cornerstone of Rocket Lawyer's profitability is its subscription-based membership. This is where the bulk of their revenue comes from. They offer different tiers, with their most prominent being the Rocket Legal and Rocket Legal Plus memberships. For a monthly or annual fee, subscribers gain access to a treasure trove of legal resources. This includes unlimited access to their extensive library of legal documents and forms, which can be customized, signed digitally, and stored securely. Whether you need a lease agreement, a non-disclosure agreement, a will, or even documents for incorporating a business, the subscription grants you the power to create and manage these with relative ease. This all-you-can-eat model is incredibly appealing for individuals and small businesses that have recurring legal needs. Instead of paying a lawyer hundreds of dollars for each document or simple consultation, they can handle many routine legal tasks themselves through the platform. The perceived value here is immense, as a single legal document or a brief attorney consultation could easily cost more than a month's subscription. This steady stream of recurring revenue from subscriptions provides Rocket Lawyer with a predictable and stable financial foundation. Beyond just documents, these memberships also typically include access to their Ask a Lawyer service, allowing users to pose legal questions and receive answers from qualified attorneys. This is a crucial differentiator and a significant value add. For many, the ability to get quick legal advice without the hefty hourly fees associated with traditional law firms is a game changer. Some membership tiers even offer free 30-minute consultations on new legal matters, further cementing the value proposition. However, not everyone needs ongoing legal support. Rocket Lawyer also generates revenue from individual, a la carte services for non-members. If you only need a single document or a quick consultation, you can purchase these services individually without committing to a full subscription. While these one-off fees are typically higher than what a member would pay for the equivalent service, they cater to a segment of the market that has infrequent legal needs and prefers to pay as they go. For example, forming an LLC without a membership might cost a flat fee plus state fees, whereas a member might get their first incorporation free or heavily discounted. This flexibility ensures they capture a wider range of customers. Another significant revenue stream comes from business formation services. Many small businesses and startups turn to Rocket Lawyer to handle the complex process of forming an LLC, corporation, or nonprofit. While members might receive their first business registration for free or at a reduced rate, non-members pay a set fee for these services. This includes preparing and filing the necessary documents with the state. Additionally, Rocket Lawyer offers related services like registered agent services, which are legally required for many businesses, and obtaining employer identification numbers, EINs. These ancillary services provide consistent income as new businesses are constantly being formed. Beyond direct user payments, Rocket Lawyer also engages in strategic partnerships. They collaborate with financial institutions, insurance companies, and other business service providers to offer their legal solutions as integrated or bundled services. These partnerships can generate revenue through commission agreements, revenue sharing models, or by expanding their customer base through co-marketing efforts. For instance, an insurance company might offer Rocket Lawyer's legal benefits as part of an employee benefits package, providing Rocket Lawyer with access to a new stream of users. Marketing and sales are also crucial components of their business model. Rocket Lawyer invests in digital advertising, content marketing, and affiliate programs to attract new customers. They often use free trials as a hook, allowing prospective users to experience the platform's benefits before committing to a paid membership. This try-before-you-buy approach is effective in converting leads into paying subscribers, contributing to their overall revenue. Finally, it's important to understand how Rocket Lawyer manages its costs to make this model profitable. They leverage technology extensively, using automated document generation and online platforms to streamline legal processes. This significantly reduces the overhead associated with traditional law firms, which often have high administrative and physical office costs. While they do pay legal professionals to answer questions and provide consultations, the efficiency of their online platform allows them to serve a large volume of clients more effectively. Their network of attorneys operates more like a distributed, on-demand service, rather than a conventional law firm with fixed expenses. In essence, Rocket Lawyer has capitalized on the demand for affordable and accessible legal services by democratizing legal information and connecting users with legal professionals in a highly efficient manner. Their success lies in their ability to offer a compelling value proposition: comprehensive legal support at a fraction of the traditional cost, delivered through a convenient online platform. By diversifying their revenue streams and optimizing their operational efficiency, they've carved out a significant niche in the legal tech landscape. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.